Earthquakes. The Earth is divided into three main layers: a hard outer crust, a soft middle layer, and a center core. The outer crust is broken into massive, irregular pieces called plates. These plates move over slowly, driven by energy forces deep within the Earth. Earthquakes occur when these moving plates grind and scrap against each other. The following precautions can be taken to make a safe living. If you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees, and overhead power lines. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to clear spot. Do not come out till the tremors stop.